Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. So children, today what we are going to study, we are going to study about some of the dancing divas of our India, as well as we are also going to study about the playback singers. So let's start. The very first picture that you are seeing on your screen is a picture of the Madhuri Dixit. Now, Madhuri Dixit, all of you must be familiar with this picture and with this personality. Fine. So, Madhuri Dixit is one of the most talented Indian actress, as well as she is a producer also, as well as she is a very famous dancer also. As you have seen this actress, that is Madhuri Dixit, in different kinds of the films or in the different kinds of the reality shows, etc. So she is a very talented dancer of our India. And the date of birth is of the Madhuri Dixit is she was born on 15 May 1967. So accordingly, you can say that from at present her age will be now 53 or 54. Now she has also won different kinds of the awards for her acting, as well as for regarding the beautiful dance which she has performed in the different kinds of the shows, as well as in the movies, etc. So she had won the Padma Shri award in 2008. She had also won the Filmfare award for the best actress. Fine, as she is also an actress, very good actress also. She had won the Filmfare award for the best actress in 1998, in 1995, as well as in 1993 also. So total awards won by the Madhuri Dixit in Filmfare Awards is the sixth, and she had also won the International Film Festival of India. Now the next one that we have to study, this is a picture that you are seeing. This is a picture of the Mallika Sarabhai. Fine. Now she is also a very well talented dancer, and she is also a very good classical dancer. And the date of birth, on which date she was born on 9th May 1954. The birthplace where she was born in the Ahmedabad. Now Ahmedabad is a place in a Gujarat state. So she was born in Ahmedabad. Now by profession, as you are knowing that she is a very good classical dancer, and the dances which she is performing is the Kuchipudi dance and the Bharatanatyam dance. And further from the dancer, she is also a politician also. Now the education, from where she has completed her education, she has completed her education from IIM Ahmedabad. Now IIM Ahmedabad is also in the Gujarat. Fine, Indian Institute of Management. Now the awards, as she is a very talented dancer, so she has won various kinds of the awards. So some of the awards she had won is the Padma Bhushan, which is given by the government of our country. Now Malika has also won many national and the international awards for her excellence and the contribution to performing arts. Further from the Padma Bhushan, apart from Padma Bhushan, she has also won different kinds of the national and international awards for her excellent performance and the contribution which she had done towards the arts, towards the classical dances. Now the next one, you must be familiar with this picture also, and you must see in this personality in different kinds of the movies, as well as in different kinds of the dance shows also. And this is the picture of the Sri Devi, and the date of birth of Sri Devi is she was born on 13th August 1963, and now she is no more. So she had died on February 24, 2018. Now this lady you must have seen in different kinds of the movies or in the different kinds of the dances, etc. So you must have seen that she is a very good dancer. Fine. So she had also won the different kinds of the awards, and one more thing, that she has started her acting in different kinds of the movies in a very early age. So the awards won by the Sri Devi is a National Film Award, the Tamil Nadu State Film Award, as she had also work on the movies in the south, whichever the movies are made in the south, in the Tamil Nadu or in the other state also. So she had also worked in the south movies also. So she had also won the Tamil Nadu State Film Award. Further from that, she had also won the 3 Filmfare Awards, Kerala State Filmfare Award, 3 Filmfare Awards South, and the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. Now the last film of the Sri Devi was the Mom. So Mom For this movie also, Sri Devi had got the Best Actress National Filmfare Award in 2018. So what was the last movie of the Sri Devi? The last movie of the Sri Devi was Mom, and for that also she had won the National Film Award for the Best Actress. Now the next one that you have to study about the Farah Khan. Now Farah Khan also you must have seen in different kinds of the reality shows, mainly in different kinds of the reality shows. She came as a judge. So Farah Khan was born on January 9, 1965, and the birthplace where she was born, Mumbai, and Mumbai of course it is in the Maharashtra state. Now the Farah Khan is also a very good choreographer. Fine. So the first choreography where the Farah Khan had did, she has done his choreography in the movie Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. This is a movie, and in this movie the dances was choreographed by the Farah Khan. And further from that, Farah Khan first film direction, she is also a director, also choreographer also. So she has also directed a film that is called as a Mehuna. Now, she was also the first woman nominated for the Filmfare Best Director Award. She was also the first woman who was nominated for the Filmfare Best Director Award. Further from that, she had also won different kinds of the Filmfare Awards, and she was also the winner of the National Film Award for the Best Choreography. For the Best Choreography, she had also won the National Film Award. Now the next one that we have to read about the Shakti Mohan. Shakti Mohan is also a very good dancer, a very talented dancer, and you must have seen this Shakti Mohan in different kinds of the reality shows. So she is also a very good Indian dancer, different kinds of the dances she is also excellent in different kinds of the dances. Now she is a winner of the Zee TV's dance reality show. You must have seen the dance reality show Dance India Dance. So she is a winner of the dance reality show Dance India Dance, and it is conducted by the Zee TV. It is a show of the Zee TV. Now the next one that you are seeing is a picture of the Vaibhavi Merchant. So she is also one of the prominent dancer of our India, an Indian dancer, and the date of birth of the Vaibhavi Merchant is 17 December 1975. She was born on 17 December 1965, and the birthplace of the Vaibhavi Merchant is Mumbai, and obvious Mumbai is a city in the Maharashtra state. Now she also has judged different kinds of the reality shows. Being a dancer, she has judged different kinds of the reality shows. Nach Baliye 3, she had also judged Jhalak Dikhla Ja season 3, as well as Zara Nach Ke Dikha 2 and the Just Dance. So these are the name of the shows which was judged by this Vaibhavi Merchant. So she is also a very good, very talented the Indian dancer on Indian Divas. Now the next one, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Most of you are familiar with this picture, or most of you must be knowing about the Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So where she was born, when she was born on 1 November 1973, and where she was born in the Bangalore. Now she is also a very good dancer, as well as she has also a very good acting skills, as you must have seen in her in different kinds of the movies, etc. So she had won the Filmfare Best Actress Award, as well as she was also honored by the Padma Shri in 2009. Now Padma Shri is one of the award which is given by our government, and this award is given to any person for excellence in any particular field. If you are excellent in any particular field, then this award is given by the government, that is called as a Padma Shri. So she is also honored by the Padma Shri in 2009, and she has also won the award of the Best Actress, that is IFA award, in 2000 and 2003. Now the next one that we have to study, Hema Malini. Hema Malini is also known as the Dream Girl. You must have seen in different kinds of the movies, and mainly you must have seen the Bagban. Most of you must have seen this Bagban movie. So for the Bagban movie, she has won the award for the Best Actress Lifetime. She has also won the Lifetime Achievement Awards, as well as when she was born on 16th October 1948, means after the independence. As all of you must be familiar that when our India got independence, our India got independence on 15th August 1947, and the date of birth of Hema Malini, that is dream girl, is 16 October 1948. Now she is also honored by the Padma Shri. As we have read about Padma Shri, Padma Shri is an award which is given to any particular person for excellence in any particular field. Fine. So she has won the Padma Shri award in the year 2000. So this is all about the Hema Malini, and also known as a dream girl. Now the next one is the Saroj Khan. Saroj Khan is also a very prominent dancer, our Indian divas, a very good Indian dancer. She was born on 22 November 1948, and the place where she was born, of course, in Bombay. Bombay is the older name of the Mumbai, and Mumbai is in the Maharashtra. And when she died, she had died recently on 3rd of July 2020 at the age of 71. Now Saroj Khan was the first recipient of the Filmfare Best Choreography Award. She is also known for the best choreography. So regarding to choreography, she had also won different kinds of the awards. Further from that, Saroj Khan was a recipient of the most national film awards for the best choreography with 3 wins. She had won the most number of the National Filmfare Awards for the best choreography, and she had won the 3 awards. Now the next one, she also had the record for winning the most Filmfare Best Choreographer awards. So she had also a record of that she had won the most number of the Filmfare awards, and the Filmfare award which she had won the Filmfare awards for the best choreographer. Means she had won the 8 awards for the best choreographer. Now the next one, we have to study about the playback singers. Fine. We have read about the different kinds of the Indian dancers, about our Indian divas, dancing divas. Now what you have to study, we have to study about the playback singer. Let us know about what are the different kinds of the playback singers. Now this one, he collaborated with the Britney Spears for a remix of her I Wanna Go. Now Britney Spears is an American singer, so he had collaborated with the Britney Spears for a remix of her I Wanna Go, and the name of that playback singer is the Sonu Nigam. Now Sonu Nigam has a very soulful voice. He had sung the song in different kinds of the movies. A lot of songs is sung by Sonu Nigam, and he have a very soulful voice, and for singing he had also won different kinds of the awards also. Now the next one is, she produced the song Ghumar from the movie Padmavat. Here is a little bit correction. By mistake it is written movie. So correct it. You have to write down movie. Fine. So don't get confused over here. So she produced the song Ghumar from the movie Padmavat. Padmavat movie, all of you know that Padmavat movie was based on the novel Padmavat, which was written by the Malik Muhammad Jaisi. Fine. So in that you must have seen that Deepika Padukone has danced in the song Ghumar. So this song was produced by whom? This song was produced by the Shreya Ghoshal. Now Shreya Ghoshal is also one of the India's most popular playback singers, as well as she has also received the different kinds of the National Film Awards regarding to singing. She had received the 4 National Film Awards, as well as she had also received the Filmfare Awards and 9 Filmfare Awards of the South also. So she has also a very soulful voice and a very famous singer. That is Shreya Ghoshal. Now the next one we have to study, that is about the Shankar Mahadevan. Now he produced a song called the Breathless in 2 goes without taking a break to breath in between. Now this is also a big achievement, because we are not able to sing any song without taking breath. Fine, but this was done by the Shankar Mahadevan. Shankar Mahadevan has produced a song that is called as a Breathless. If you will listen in it, you will get to know that this song was produced in 2 goes only, without taking breath. Fine, and the name of that artist, or the name of that singer is a Shankar Mahadevan, and the Breathless song is Koi Jo Mila. Whenever you get a time, then you can listen it, and this song was produced by the Shankar Mahadevan without taking a breath, only in 2 goes. Now the next one is the A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman is one of the most famous, most famous is a composer as well as a singer of our India. Fine. Now he had also won the Oscar award also, and he was a producer of the song "Maa Tujhe Salam." Maybe you have listened this song, and if you have not listened this song, now on 2nd October you must be listening this song. Fine. So who is the composer of this "Maa Tujhe Salam" song? So composer of the "Maa Tujhe Salam" is the A.R. Rahman. Now he won the Academy Award for the best sing for the Jai Ho. Jai Ho song is also a patriotic song. So for that song also he had won the Academy Award, and he had also won the Oscar Award. So this is a A.R. Rahman, as you are seeing here. Now the next one playback singer is about the Sunidhi Chauhan. So she was the singer of the song disco song from the movie Student of the Year. If you have listened, then fine. In the movie Student of the Year, a song is there that is called as a disco song, and that song was sung by the Sunidhi Chauhan. So Sunidhi Chauhan also have a very soulful voice. She also have sung different kinds of the song. So regarding to song, she had also, regarding to singing, she had also won different kinds of the awards. That is a Filmfare Award for the best female playback singer. She had also won the IFA Award for the best female playback singer, and she had also won the Indian Telly Award for the best judge panel. As well as apart from all these awards, she had also won different other kinds of the awards also for her prominent singing. Now the next one, as you are seeing, he was a singer of the song Soch Na Sake from the movie Airlift. Airlift is also a very good movie. You must be watching this. Now he was a singer in that. A song is there, Soch Na Sake. So who has sing this song? This song was sung by the Arijit Singh. Fine. Now Arijit Singh also is a very famous singer. He had also sung different kinds of the songs, and regarding to singing, he had also won different kinds of the awards, national awards as well as the other awards also. Now the next one that we have to study about the Krishna Kumar Kunath. Now Krishna Kumar Kunath is also known as a KK. So if anyone asks you that who is KK, then KK is a Krishna Kumar Kunath. In short, it is said as a KK. Now he was the singer of the song Tu Jo Mila from the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Bajrangi Bhaijaan, you must be seeing that in that movie. Who is there? The main actor, that is a Salman Khan, and this is the story of the Salman Khan and a little girl. This is also a very good movie, and in that a song was there, that is Tu Jo Mila To Ho Gaya. So this song Tu Jo Mila was sung by the Krishna Kumar Kunath. Now the next one is, you can see, he was the singer of the song All Is Well from the movie Three Idiots, Shantanu Mukherjee, known as the Shan. Now All Is Well, very good movie, the movie that is called as the Three Idiots. So in the Three Idiots, a song was there, All Is Well. So All Is Well is sung by this singer that is called as the Shan, and the full name of the Shan is the Shantanu Mukherjee. Shantanu Mukherjee is known as the Shan. So if anyone asks you that what is the full name of the Shan, then the full name of the Shan is the Shantanu Mukherjee. Now he has also won different kinds of the award. He also have different songs, and he also have a very soulful voice. So he has won the Filmfare best male playback award, as well as he had also won Zee Cine Award Best Playback Singer. Further, from these two awards, he have also won different other kinds of the awards on the national and the international level. Now the next one, the song Jai Jaikara from the movie Bahubali, the conclusion, is sung by the Kailash Kher. Now Bahubali movie, most of you must have watched. So in that, you must have heard this song Jai Jaikara. So Jai Jaikara was sung by the Kailash Kher. Now the next one, the song India Wale from the movie Happy New Year. Happy New Year was a movie. Main actor was a Shah Rukh Khan, and some other actors was also there, supporting actors. So in that song, in that movie, you must have heard the song the India Wale. So India Wale is a song in the movie Happy New Year. So that song was sung by the Neeti Mohan. Now she sings mainly in the Hindi films, but she also sing in different other fields also, in the southern or in the Marathi etc. also. Now R.D. Burman award in the Filmfare Awards. She had also won the best female playback singer in the Screen Awards. Now this is all about, we have read about the Neeti Mohan playback singer, Kailash Kher playback singer, Shan known as a Shantanu Mukherjee, KK known as a Krishna Kumar Kunath, and Arijit Singh, very soulful voice he have. Sunidhi Chauhan, he has sung the disco song from the movie Student of the Year. A.R. Rahman, a very good Indian composer, also have won the Oscar award. Shankar Mahadevan, he has composed a breathless song, sung the breathless song only in 2 goes without taking breath. Shreya Ghoshal has produced the song The Ghumar from the movie Padmavat, as well as Sonu Nigam also have a very good soulful voice, and he had collaborated with the Britney Spears. She is an American singer. Now we have also read about the dancing divas, about the Saroj Khan, also known as the dancing queen. She had a hat trick of winning the awards for the best choreographer. Next one, we have read about the Hema Malini, also known as the dream girl. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, very good in acting skills as well as in the dancing skills. Vaibhavi Merchant, she has just different kinds of the reality shows like Nach Baliye, Jhalak Dikhla Jaye, etc. Shakti Mohan, also the winner of the Zee TV's dance reality show Dance India Dance, and also she is judging different kinds of the reality shows. Farah Khan, also you must have seen her in different kinds of the reality shows, and she had also won the award for the best choreography, and the first choreography she had done in Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. Sridevi is not no more between us. She is not medicine between us, but she had also won different kinds of the national award, and she is also known for her acting skills as well as her dancing skills. So her last movie was The Mom, and for that movie she had also won the National Film Award for the Best Actress. Now the next one is the Malika Sarabhai, also a very prominent classical dancer, and she is performing the Kuchipudi and the Bharatnatyam dance. Further from that, she is also a politician. So for her contribution, she had also won different kinds of the awards, and main award that she had won is a Padma Bhushan. But now this is the Madhuri Dixit, also known as a Dhak Dhak Girl. Right, so she is also an Indian actress, very good dancer, etc. She had also won the Padma Shri, a Filmfare Award for the Best Actress, as well as different other kinds of the award. So this is all about the dancing divas, as well as this is all about the different kinds of the playback. So thank you everyone, thank you children, and if you like the video, then you can like, share and subscribe my channel, and for more improvement regarding to this video, you can give your suggestions below in the comment box. Thank you everyone.